we had spoken in the assembly about the sound pollution, and we were given an assurance that the right amount of equipment. Today, if you see this sound pollution in the last 2 years, we have taken innocent Kazra. Example, there are two directions. One is to give relaxation to the traditional weddings happening post 10 o'clock, and where innocent Goans want to have sound to that restrictions bond karo. Amka environment minister ji ashwashana dilli. After the assembly they forget it. There was a debate, there was a calling attention as well with regards to how and what equipment should be placed. I believe that almost 2.5-3 crores have been spent. Today, you see, we stand by the sentiments of the people of Anjuna and all across the state, because this permission, Janna, amche Goinkar Bhav, kiten tori to function korpak sutta, kazar japak sutta, they are not allowed. We now here Delhi che, in connivance with the politicians, in connivance there is a nexus between the police and the politicians are involved. Kodak hofte hoite, who gets these ladus? Until these ladus are stopped, this will not stop.